I bought a typewriter, but there's a problem. Whenever I type, no ink comes out of it. There is nothing coming off on the page. That was until today. So many people have suggested trying something that I think will work. So I'm not gonna waste any time. Let's get right into trying it. Okay. Word on the street says there is a lever, and apparently mine is on the wrong setting. On some typewriters, there is a red, white, and black dot from what I hear. So since I'm using black ink, of course I should be on the black dot. Now I'm not 100% sure if mine has dots. Someone says that they don't think mine does. And I'm also not 100% sure where it is, but I have seen some people say it should be around the keyboard area. So let me tinker around a bit and see what I can find. Alrighty guys, I have officially entered tinkering mode. I am a professional tinkerer. Someone located the apparent lever and sent me a screenshot of it. If you guys can see, they said it's this right here by the backspace button. If this works, Zach, I owe you 1.5 billion. I'm never gonna give it to you, but like, just keep it in mind. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, it did something, it moved. When I flip the lever upwards, the ribbon is moving. Okay, let's test it and see if it lifts when I type. Oh my gosh! Guys, I think we've done it. I'm gonna cry. I have my piece of paper. Roll it in, roll it in. This might be a monumental moment in history. Okay, here. Oh my gosh! My name is Tian! Oh, that didn't work out, but yes! I have just typed on a typewriter! Oh my gosh! Why am I so excited? I don't know, I'm just gonna be excited. To end things off on an even higher note, I am going to write my first official letter to document this moment forever. Thank you to all my supporters, comma, space. Thank you to all my supporters. We have come so far together and I couldn't have done this without all of you. Now, let's move on to greater things together. Yours truly, Tian. Bosh, get in! And here we have it, my first ever letter on my typewriter. Anywho, I bid you adieu! Yes! I'm so happy.